We're beginning Hasbar 7:7. We're in Kiddushin, Daf Lamed Aleph, and Perek Rishon, Aisha Niknes. Down on the 12 lines down with Amar Rabbi Shua ben Levi. And we'll continue our theme when we said a person who sins in secret, it's as if they kicked Hashem's feet off his stool, and the stool, his footstool, being the earth, meaning one's lack of respect for God's presence. Amar Rabbi Shua ben Levi, Asar la'adam, it is prohibited for a person, shehalech arba amot, to walk 4 amot, which is about 6 feet, bikoma zekufa, to walk upright and straight. A person, when they walk around, they shouldn't hold their head up high. Shenemar, as it states in Yeshaya, Perek Vav, Pasuk Gimel, Moloch al aretz kevodo. The land is filled with God's glory. Right? It's from the pasuk that we recite during Kedusha. Kadosh, 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 Hashem Tzavos, Moloch al aretz kevodo. So if a person is walking upright, it's as if he's arrogant and that he doesn't respect and have humility for Hashem's presence. Along those lines, Rabbi Yehuna berei to Rabbi Yeshua, Rav Huna, the son of Rabbi Yeshua, lo mesage arba amos, he would never walk more than dalet amos, begiloi roish, with an uncovered head. Amar, he would say, Rav Huna would say, Shechina lamala meroshi. The Shechina, God's presence, is above my head. And it would all be arrogant if I didn't cover my head. And maybe that is where the source of the word yarmulke comes from, Yora Malka. That when we wear a kippah, when we wear a yarmulke, it's to remind us that someone's above us, that Hashem is above us, that Hashem is watching us. Of course, that's a good thing because we want Hashem to always watch us, to protect us and keep us safe. And that's what we've learned. We've learned that we shouldn't walk around arrogantly, but we should walk around with a sense of presence that Hashem is above us. And it is interesting that we have taken on that custom of wearing a kippah to remind us of such a fact. All right, please do the Hasbar. Thank you.